Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Camp. Today it is all about Walgreens and their deals of the week preview for 11/5 to 11/11. Now we have a spend booster, spend $60, get $20 in Walgreens cash. That is a great booster to use. We also, guys, I have a glitch, a possible glitch. Then I have some stocking stuffers, some Ibotta deals, stock ups, and some no-goes. And at the end, I have a great 70% off clearance that's probably up to 90 now. So go ahead, guys, watch this video. And if you like it, please hit share, subscribe, like, and drop me a comment. Okay, guys. This is always a stock up. It's no negotiation. Whenever you see this, run and stock up. It is so much you can do with these bags right here. Now, they have their own brand, and they also have this. Look, see that? This is something new. They're still experimenting, and it's $1. But it's just that one. It was a small one. That is not a part of it. It's still $1. The other ones are 98 cents. So it's really a no-brainer. Stock up. Okay, guys, Ibotta first. Go to Ibotta, clip Walgreens, then go to Persil, clip all the Persils. These will be at $5.99. They will be giving us a $1 or a $2 cash back on this offer. It depends on which one you have. Mine say $2. Some say it's $1. My sister's is $1. Hey guys, it steps to this rule right here. Go to Ibotta, clip Walgreens, click the large 70-something ounce Arm & Hammer. See that 77 ounce? Clip the large one. These are going to be on sale starting 11/5 in Walgreens for $9.99. Now, last time this was on sale, they gave me a $3 coupon. I clipped that coupon, paid $6.99, then got $3 back from Ibotta. Okay, guys, I want you to see that something that I believe is a misprint or a glitch. It's $4.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, you get $2 Walgreens cash. So take a look at this. I ran it through just to make sure. See, coming up $2.99, and it is the big women's disposable razors. So if I go down lower, buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $2 Walgreens cash. So if you see these, grab these. They're great stocking stuffers. Okay, guys, stocking stuffers. It is these Walgreens panty liners are buy one at $149, get one 50% off. If you are doing bundles and you want to throw those in as gifts, or you do stocking stuffers for people, donate, or even for family members, great to grab as a stocking stuffer. Also, they have these right here. There's $1.29 panty liners, and you get 150% off. I would definitely grab these, and I think I will. You'll see those in my cart on Sunday. Okay, Listerine is back, but it's a little tricky. It's two deals going on. One is spend 15, you get a $5 register reward, okay? So you know you have to buy $15 worth of Listerine. That means you'll probably have to buy a big one and a smaller one to get that register reward. But it's also a different deal going on. So the next deal, guys, is Listerine. Buy between $7 to $9, and you get a $2 register reward, and it's lasting to November the 25th. So it's two deals going on. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably try and see what's going on. See if I can get $7 instead of $2 or $5. So we'll see. Okay, guys, what I want to talk about was the Tylenol. It is going to be 2 for $10. Now, they usually give us a $2 coupon, either in that IBC booklet or a regular digital or a paper. So be looking out, because that'll be a great deal. Tylenol 2 for 10. That will be a buy for me. Okay, guys, Airborne. I buy these all the time. This is going to be a great deal. They have a great coupon that's attaching. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get a $5 register reward. The coupon is high value. It's either $3 or $5. It's great to use on this. And if you get the newspaper, the inserts cheap also with the ZZ quill. So make sure you look for those two items, guys. If you use Airborne or ZZ quill, buy one get one 50% off. They have high value coupons with them. So yes, I would go for this. And in fact, you all know what time it is. It's stock up time. You're gonna buy two Dons at $1.24. Regular price is $1.29, but you're going to get a $1 register reward for every two that you buy. Now, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay this down with. Okay, this is a great stock up. It's always a great stock up on Dawn detergent. Let's go. Our gang deal is back, guys, and it's tons of them. This is another stock up. I will not pass this by. They will be buy two at $1.99 each and get a $1 register reward. Great stock up. Always a great bundle deal. Always great to add to any gang deal you have. Add that in. I guarantee you it will sell. People just love gang, and plus it's green. Okay, the Scott tissue has been running for a long time, and I didn't mention it. Someone asked me, what about the Scott tissue? This Scott tissue has been $5, get $1.25 off. By all means, a great deal. Now, this is a stock up, guys, period. This is great tissue. We bought it when they first put it out for $1.99 as a trial. Guess what? If you can catch it in stock, great stock up and bundles. Okay, guys, now here is something you might want to rethink this week. The Huggies are 2 for $21 again. They extended it. Now you have to buy 3 to get a $5 register reward. So this will be a deal that if you can hold off from, or find another store that has a better deal for this, because now they're telling you, yeah, they're still 2 for $21, but you have to buy 3 to get now a $5 register. Okay, guys, Mr. Clean Freak, $5.99. You have to buy at least 2 or more to get a $3 register reward. That's pretty steep. So what I would do is I will find an alternative choice and hold off. Maybe this will go down and they'll give it to us for cheaper. Okay, Microban, guys. Microban $4.99. You have to buy more than one to get the $3 register reward. It's that right there. When they was giving us the $4 coupon off, it was fantastic. But if we don't get a great coupon for that, this will be one of the deals that you could probably hold off from and wait until they give us a great coupon for it. Then grab it. Okay, guys, they have Charmin for $11.99 right now. We don't know how many we need to buy. They're going to give us a $4 register reward. I will find a better deal. I did a deal at Dollar General with Charmin involved. This would be a no-go for me right now. That's all. Okay, guys, as of now, filming this video on Friday, releasing it on Saturday, all of the candy in Walgreens Halloween is 70% off. So you can grab some great deals. Candy as low as $1.20 for the large bags. I grabbed the Werther's caramels for 80 cents using a coupon. I'll let you see this visual, guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching Ivy's coupon count. If this video helps you in any type of way, guys, drop me a comment, hit like, subscribe, and please share, because sharing is caring. All the great stuff. Tons of it.